When we first thought of this idea, there were many detractors dismissing it as a business rather than a startup with room for innovation. But we wanted to transform the simple notebook to something more powerful, an indispensable value product for the student. Thus, the discount coupons in our notebooks killed two birds with one stone, added value worth 10 times the price of our product, and served as an effective medium for promotion of local businesses. We first launched 2500 notebooks in Pilani, which got a very good response and got sold in just 25 days. We subsequently launched 5000 notebooks in Hisar, associating with brands like Time and Aptech Computing. We refined our model for our third launch to make it more scalable by collaborating with BITS Pilani Students Union. On board with local sponsors were bigger brands like ASL and Toco. All in all, 3 launches, we sold 13,000 notebooks associating with over 20 brands over a period of just 8 months. Here is what our customers think about our product.
The concept of giving free coupons on every notebook covers its cost quite effectively. This is a very unique scheme that I've come across and is kind of like free charge for stationery. After having started using this product, I've been visiting my favorite restaurants even more frequently.
I came to know about copy at the copies from the retailer shop. When I went there, I saw that the shopkeeper showed me 3 copies, priced at rupees 35, 30 and 50. I was quite surprised to see that the third notebook was of even better quality as compared to the others which were twice as costly.
The concept is good. Initially they started out with discount coupons, which in itself are very attractive. But by introducing free vouchers, it has become even more of a compelling buy.
First thing that caught my eye was the design of the notebook. The best thing about the notebook is it is designed as per the liking of college going students, unlike other notebook brands.
Hi, I actually love the Copyetta notebooks, and that is because I also happen to love Batman, and they have amazing Batman designs which look very cool. And other than that, the more economical reason being that they have a great set of coupons at the back. As you can see, I've already used one. Helped me save around $250 for a notebook that came for a mere $25. So yeah, it's amazingly economical and it looks beautiful in your hands. And yeah, I think it's a win-win deal.
But how do we get rich? It's not hard to figure how we make money from this venture. Our revenue model is simple and uncomplicated. With 2 customer segments being catered to, the money rolls in from the sales and the sponsorship. The next thing we were worried about was the growth potential of the startup. On doing some research, we found out that there is a huge potential in the notebook industry. The industry has been growing at 15% annually. The market is hugely fragmented, with the largest player having just 18% of the market share. There are currently 22 crore students in India, and thus we have a huge market with low barriers to entry. In this market, our product is unique in every respect. Not only do we provide immense value to the students, our notebook also serves as a long-lasting advertising medium that provides a brand recall of 6 hours daily. Now with a huge potential market to tap and a product that promises a handsome share in any market it enters, our immediate concern is to think about successfully placing our notebooks in the hands of more students. But what is the road ahead? Our future plans include collaborating with colleges and coaching institutes to make the distribution more simpler. Also, launching in different colleges by appointing campus ambassadors in different cities.